just got home from a few days in Stoke from a friend's house, and I've come home to 2 packages. Now, one of them is from Bo Beauty, the lash brand, and one of them is my Stacey Marie MUA Be Perfect Cosmetics palette, which I'm so excited to open. So basically I just thought I'd show you both the things. I haven't actually opened the palette yet, so I'm going to do that now and I'm going to show you guys. I am so excited. Okay, so I've just opened the box and the palette is here. I'm so excited. I'm going to do some swatches of this too, obviously. So I'm just like, I'm going to cry if this is smashed or anything, guys, literally. I'm not sure what I will actually do with myself. Ah! Get out of the bubble wrap. Oh. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is so pretty. And then on the back it says, an explosion of highly pigmented colours and shimmers that will unlock your inner creativity, developed in collaboration with Stacey Marie. High pigment, day and night, vibrant colours, shimmer and glow. And I really like that they've put like a kind of like colour chart on the back, so you can kind of see what's in it before you open it. So guys, let's open this. Oh my gosh. So if you have no idea what this palette actually is and why I'm making such a big deal over it, so Stacey Marie, the makeup artist who has collabed with Be Perfect to make this palette, is like the best makeup artist I've ever seen. Honestly, all of her looks are absolutely bomb, and I really trust her. I really trust her judgment, and she's been using this for ages before she put it out. So honestly, I think this is going to be an amazing quality. I mean, I am obsessed with this. Oh my gosh, I've been dying for an amazing metallic blue. And also these are highlighters. Tell you what I also really love about this palette is it's really big. Like the pan sizes are amazing, and it's like quite deep, and it feels expensive. I mean, I paid $39.99 for this, which is, you know, it's pricey, but if you work out how many shadows is in this, you're getting such a bag. So obviously now I want to do some swatches. Now obviously I'm on back camera, so I'm going to swatch them on my leg. So this is my leg, by the way. Just so you can see